So you wouldn't believe it. Our friend Sandy has hooked us up with this guy Paul. Paul's a cabinet maker and he has a workshop just down the road. Paul has offered for us to build kitchen cabinets, even our bed frame in his workshop. It's just, I don't understand these people. They're so generous. So today we're gonna have some kitchen cabinets, and hopefully a bed base built with drawers and everything. So today is gonna be epic. So this is Paul's workshop that he's let us use to build our cabinets. Got this big table saw thing. Plenty of timber. So this is where we're going to assemble the cabinets. And here's the plans. So we're going to have 4 overhead cabinets, about 250 high by 250 mil deep, with a notch out to allow for the rib of the van. This would be our kitchen cabinet. This smaller section here will house our water storage, and the bigger side for general kitchen stuff. So I've just got to do some sizing now. Over this page, this is going to be for under our bed. So we're going to have, this isn't really to scale, but this here will probably end about here. We're going to have about 300mm at the back by 660 wide for tool storage. And then this section here, which is 1 meter by 660 by 300. This is going to be a pull-out drawer into the van. So this side here will be a drawer. These are the doors for the van. This side is going to open that way because our kitchen cabinets are going to end about here. So this drawer will be a massive drawer coming out the back of the van for storage of camping gear and winter clothes and whatnot. This section here will be for mine and Liv's clothes. So we're going to have some very professional looking cabinetry in this van.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, yeah.
So I've just come back from shopping all morning. Had a look at our mattress choice this morning. We went with a foam mattress with memory foam on top. I also picked up a doona, some sheets. Couldn't really find a doona cover that I like, so I'm gonna have another look this week for that. But just arrived back to the workshop. Gonna come see if Ben needs any help from me and see how he's gone with all the progress with the cabinets. How's it going, my bubs?
Good.
Good. Wow.
So overhead cabinet.
Our custom made cabinets are looking good. So this is going to be over the top of the kitchen cabinet and the bed, right?
Yeah, so it's going to be over the top of the kitchen, and it's going to have I don't really have anything to show. Yeah, absolutely. I have doors like this.
Oh. And we're going gonna look for some hinges that are able to kind of snap close so that when we're driving the doors aren't lifting up randomly.
Yeah.
Looks good, my bobs.
Let's see if it fits.
You're going to be opening up from Mumford and Sons.
Actually, it won't fit because I haven't finished it.
Oh.
Sorry.
What did you forget?
Didn't really account for the walls curving a little bit, so I've just got to trim it out a bit.
Okay.
So watch this.
Watch this space. So that way it should sit flush against the back of the van.
Soon. Seriously, I don't understand these plugs out. What is this?
Canada, why you have plugs like this?
What is that? Get real plugs.
Take two?
Hey?
Take two?
Yeah. Take two. Let's go see if it fits.
What do you think? Perfect?
Mm-hmm.
Nice work. So this is where we're going to store all our little bits and pieces above the counter. Bathroom stuff, food, maybe cooking utensils, etc.
Awesome.
Nice work, kid.
One down. Now we just got to build the bed and the kitchen.
Just a side note. Look at this beautiful day. Beautiful. We haven't had one bad day since we've got here, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, Canada.
Sunshine. Hey, look at our fridge.
She's a bit small, but she's cold, and she'll store what we need.
There's plenty of room for all my beers.
For all your beers that you don't drink. So guys, after half an hour of standing around doing nothing, Ben has a job for me. Don't you, babe?
Well, I mean, yeah, in a minute.
What am I doing?
You'll be helping me build the bed.
Oh my god. I think I'm ready for this responsibility. Just putting together our bed at the moment. This is the frame for it. Custom built. So it's looking like this. This is the top. And then underneath here will be drawers. So one really big drawer which will roll out. This will be at the back of the van. That just will go on top. So what Ben's doing now is just creating the second section of the bed. You guys, we have a bed frame. we have a freaking bed frame. That's where all the storage will be. This one will probably be for clothes. The drawer will pull out into this space here. And then we'll be sleeping this way. What a beautiful view outside is what we'll be able to see from our bed. Good job, babe. So
Just gonna
good.
Set up this kitchen.
Yeah, let's get back to the kitchen. Okay, so first we went to Five Guys for dinner. Now we're gonna get into it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the.
Well, guys, we were going to show you what we'd gotten up to with the cabinets, but it's a bit too dark outside, so we can't show you the latest. But we'll get back to you tomorrow with the final product.
All we have left is finish the cabinets, clad the walls, lighting, flooring,
And decorating.
and decorating.
My job.
And then we're off.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.